Earth-Grammie here with some tips for you about when you're throwing a party and you want to reduce the size of your waste. So what we need is an exit plan to face the waste before you even start the fun. So when you're making up your decoration list, what do you think about? Confetti or balloons? Oh please, that is so last century. And balloons are not really good at all, especially those mylar ones that are filled with helium. They're not even biodegradable. They say they're reusable, but whoever uses them again, I don't know. If you have to use balloons, use the latex. They're supposedly biodegradable, but instead of all of that, why not use paper? Look how much fun this is. How creative you can be. You make your own balloons with that and other decoration things like this. This is great fun. You know, you can even put it on the walls or can wear it. And flowers in pots are always a good idea, as well as dried flowers. Now, if you really want to be creative, you can repurpose, reuse, reimagine, and reinvent, like my friend did with this hat for me. All made from recycled things that she found in charity stores and so on. So remember now, you can be part of the solution, not the pollution. You don't want to become a landfillian, do you? No. So remember to reduce the size of your waste whenever you're entertaining. Be good. See you next time with some more Earth-Grammes. Mwah.